What's going on? What's going on? I'm back, and I'm back with another video. And after I know you read the title, and this is a very interesting topic. Very interesting topic. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to make money? Duh. Like, come on, who doesn't want to make money? Now, let me give you the key. The most important key. I'm not going to tell you to work 12 hours, more shift, pick up a shift. Yeah, you'll make money. But don't you want to learn? Don't you want to know how to attract money? We're talking. Don't you want to know how to attract money? Imagine just attracting money. Imagine just waking up and you look in your bank account, you got a check. And you wake up tomorrow, you got a check. You taking a shit, you getting a check. You out chilling with some friends to the movies. Take out your phone, you got a check. You going to the gym, you get a check. Now let me tell you honestly, attracting money, not getting money. There's a difference. Getting money is going to, work. That's getting money. Nothing wrong with that. You gotta get it. You gotta get your bread how you get it. But just imagine learning, knowing how to attract money. Now, the first key to attract money is self-improvement. Listen, I'm always gonna talk about self-improvement because learning and knowing how to get better for yourself, you can't nothing beat that. Nothing can beat that. You got to self-improve yourself. You got to know who you are as a person. I'm always going to say that in every single video of mine because I feel like nobody nowadays, we're so worried about doing something for other people. We're so focused on doing things that's going to make us happy by getting new material things that we really don't need, getting the new iPhone that we really don't need. That's not going to make you happy. I'm sorry to tell you that. It's not going to make you happy. It's not going to make you money. It's not. You're so focused on other things. Focus on yourself, your self-improvement. Money's going to start coming to you. You're going to start having new ideas. That's how you attract money. You start focusing on yourself. You start focusing on self-improvement. Money's just going to come. Money loves people who work hard. Ooh, yo, we are talking. Do you hear me? Money loves people who work hard. It even says in the Bible, even if you don't read, God said those who work hard, they will earn a profit. He didn't say they might earn a profit. They could earn a profit. They will earn a profit. You gotta work hard in whatever you do. And I'm not knocking those people who actually have 9-to-5 jobs, but take time to meditate for yourself. Take time to figure out who you are as a person, and the money's gonna come. You're gonna find new ideas. Everybody's like, here's the thing. Let's back up a second. 2019, 3 days prior to the ending, I'm over here, hey, what's going on? To all my people around me, I'm like, yo, what's your goals for 2020? What's your goals for 20? Hey, what's your goals for 20? I was stopping random people. Hey, what's your goals for 2020? You know what people would say? Make more money. Make more money. That is what your mind is focused on for the new year. Make more money? That's how you think money's going to come to you? You think money's going to come to people who are, I want to make more money, and the money's just magically going to fall on top of your head. But the people who self-improve themselves, who better themselves, who want change, who believe in the quote, what I said last video, if you want something different, you got to do something different. If you want something you never had, you got to do something you never done. That's a new one. If you want something you never had, you have to do something you never done. Money's not going to fall from the sky. We know that money was like, it's made from the trees or whatever, but we can't obviously just go to the tree and get the money there. We have to go get it. We have to achieve it. There's different ways of getting money. There's getting money, receiving money, and that money is attracting to you. Money loves hard work. They're in love with people who work hard. They're in love with people. You're not attracting money because you're not doing nothing to attain it. That's the difference. That's what I meant to say. There's a difference between getting money and attaining money. There's a difference for it. Like for me, I always believe that those who work, I really believe in that quote. Those who work hard will earn a profit. I really do believe in that. Because a lot of people think, oh, if I say it, yes, yeah. Let me back up. Speaking things into existence is very true. I stand by it. If you say, I'm going to make 100,000 this year, you're going to make it. If you put in the hard work. 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 But if you're not putting in the hard work, it's not going to come. All those people that I was asking, make more money. We're now 7 days until January, and they're not doing anything different. Nothing that made me like, oh, damn. That's what's up, man. You working hard. You're doing something different. They're doing the same thing. And guess what's going to happen? You're going to get the same results. Like studying for a test. You failed the first time. If you do the same exact thing you did, you're going to fail again. Let me give you an example of in real estate. I failed the test the first time. If you go watch one of my videos in the past, you could see I dropped it months ago. I failed by like 5 questions. If I would have done exactly what I did, I would have failed again. But what I did differently was I just relaxed. I took a different approach. I still studied, but I took a different approach. You feel me? You got to take a different approach to life, to anything, day by day. Take a different approach, outlook, different outreach. You got to look at things differently. You got your goals, the way that how much money you want to make. It has to scare people. It has to scare you. If you are not scared of the goals that you wrote down, in order, like to make it, like once you make the list, and you say I want to make 50,000, but you know you can make it, it's not big enough. You gotta reach for something that I don't know if I can touch it. I don't know if I can get it, but I'm gonna find a way. I'm gonna find a way. And that's when the money's gonna start attracting you, because you're self-improving yourself. You becoming the alpha. You becoming the better version of you, and you're gonna get it. I promise you. I promise you. Remember this video. Save it. Like it. Share it. You should do that already. But doing this will change your whole it will change your whole year for you. You gotta attract money. Money, yes, you can work hard. You can go to work, pick up extra shifts, but who likes that? I don't think anybody can say, I just love going to work 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. If you want something different, do it. If you want change, change you first. Change you. Change the people around you. You're always gonna be where you are if you don't take a different approach. Take a new approach to things. If you keep hitting the same wall, why are you keep walking in the same direction or keep doing what you're doing? Change you. Change begin in here. If you want to attract money, you gotta have a different outlook. You got to see things differently, in a different view, a different eye vision. You gotta take that crust out. You gotta start saying, how can I self-improve myself? And the money's gonna start coming. The money's gonna start coming. A couple of years ago, I was like, how can I make more money? You know, I was one of those. But the difference was I did something different. I picked up a camera and I just got good at it. Stop telling me that you cannot learn something. Stop telling me I can't do this, and I hate people who say I can't. I hate people. You say you can't, I'm gonna slap you. No, I'm really not. But I'm just saying, stop saying that you can't do something, because you can. You're just choosing not to. I can't stand people who say I can't. I can't stand people who say I can't do something. But I can't do this, Raphael, because of this. But I can't because... Stop making excuses. It's so easy to make excuses. But it's easy to make excuses, but it's harder to actually make a change. That's what you're scared of. It's fine. It's fine if you don't want to make a change. You have to live your life, not me. Because over here, I'm going to change. What I need to do, I'm going to self-improve, I'll do it. Meditate, I'll do it. Find out who I am, I'll do it. You can't even take 5 minutes off your phone. You can't even take 5 minutes to learn you, to know who you are, so that money can come. A lot of people click this video thinking that, oh my gosh, she's going to teach me how to make money. You can't, like, attracting money is just... I had somebody call me again. What I was trying to say was attracting money is so much better, because the money is going to come naturally. Investing, learn how to invest. That is attracting money. Passive income, that is attracting money. Remember, in this world, in anything, there's an 80-20 rule. Always remember this rule. I learned this in real estate. 80-20 rule. 20% of the world is not buying the iPhones. 80% of the world is. 20% of this world has most of the money that 80% doesn't. 20% of this world is rich. 80% of the world is not. The 80-20 applies in anything. Listen. I'm going to get deeper with this. If you focus 100%, 20% effort, 20% effort, right? You focus 20% of hardcore effort, you'll get 80% results. But if you focus 80% on whatever, you're only going to get 20% results. Because that 80%, you're not really doing much. You're just kind of putting in the work. Like, people go to the gym, 80% of them is just there walking around, while 20% of them are actually working hard and they're getting the results. 80% of them are just there just to say I went to the gym. Same thing in church. You apply it in anything. Attract money by who you are. Money's going to naturally come to you. And I'm not trying to say, okay, I'm going to quit my job. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to sit here. Money's going to come. Self-improve. And with self-improvement comes creativity. With self-improvement comes maturity. With self-improvement comes a different approach. With self-improvement comes learning and knowing new ways and new ideas. When you self-improve, you feel different. You feel like, oh, I feel a different type of breeze today, because I'm self-improving myself. I'm not who I was yesterday, because that person yesterday is not going to attract the money that's coming today. Today is a new day. Remember, people don't care what you did yesterday or last week. They don't care about what you're doing today. Self-improve yourself. Know who you are. Own yourself. I'm always going to say these things because they apply with anything that you're trying to do in life, get in life, achieve in life. You have to change. You have to. Some people think that I can stay the same, keep doing what I'm doing, and I'll get it. You can keep on with that mentality, but you ain't gonna get nothing. Learning how to attract money, you gonna feel different inside. You gonna know, all right, I need to try this idea. When you're meditating, when you're going out in nature, you just get a sense of, okay, this is what I need to do. And like, once you focus on your mindset, everything will fall into place. Focus on yourself. Focus on who you want to be. The money's gonna come. All those people who are, I want to make more money, is probably not. But the person that says, for my 2020 goals, I want to self-improve. I want to become a better person. I want to help others. You hear that? That's the person that's going to attract the money to them. But I want to make more money. Same rule applies to females and males. All the males that are telling the females, you're so beautiful, they're not getting her. But the one person who's not even focused on that, who's not even telling her how beautiful she is, he's just like, hey, how's your day going? Your day's going great? That's great to know. I'm glad you're having a great day, because I'm having a great day too. He's getting the female, because he's not focused on that. Remember, you move in the direction of your most dominant thought. You move in the direction of your most dominant thought. But what if I think about making more money? You're going to get into the system. Because you're going to make more money and you're going to have more problems. A lot of money. People think if I make a lot of money, I'll be in a better position. You're not. Because all you're going to do is just waste it. But I'm not going to. What did you do with the last money you had? Think about that. Think about if money's going to want to come back to you. I don't want to come back to you because all you're going to do is waste me. When you get money, you have to look at them like your employees. How can I make more money? How can I make this money, make more money for me, which means more money, more employees, more money for me. Less work. Focus on yourself, your self-improvement, who you are as a person, and all the money's gonna come with it. The bags are gonna come. We're not talking these little paychecks and stuff. We're talking real money. Self-improve. Look yourself in the mirror and say, how far am I willing to go to chase greatness, to get the money that I want to get, to support my family, support my needs. Attract that money. It's gonna come to you. It's gonna come to you. Everything's gonna come. Everything's gonna come. I promise you that. Everything's gonna come. It may not come tomorrow. It may not come next week, but it's gonna come eventually. It's gonna come because money's gonna start. Man, I want some. Ooh, that person working hard. They're self-improving themselves. That life nature is just gonna go. Like, the beautiful thing about life, I'm gonna leave you off with this. Food for thought. The beautiful thing about life, I love saying this, is it revolves. That's the beautiful thing about life. Because if you really look at it, imagine if life didn't revolve. Imagine wherever you are, that's where you are for the rest of your life. That would suck. That would suck. A lot of people couldn't even get out they would hate it. But it revolves. One day you here, next day you in a whole different point of view. Everything's just changed for you. Some people life changed in 3 months. Some people life changed today by hitting the lottery. Your life can change if you self-improve. If you fiend to get better. You're not fiending to get money. Because everybody's trying to get money. And they're in the same position. But if you focus on you focus on what I like, what makes me happy, you will be successful. You will attract the money that comes with it. It's not all about the money, and it's true. It's not all about the money. Life is not all about money. It's all about self-improving yourself, having peace. My peace of mind means more to me than anything. The love I have for myself means more to me than anything. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Learn you. Know who you are. What is your book about? What is the book about you about? What is it about? That you don't do anything all day? You just sit on the couch, not trying to self-improve? You get in bed at 11 o'clock? Money don't go to those people. Money goes to the people who wake up early in the morning. They go to the gym. They self-improve. They create ideas. That's who money goes to. That's where most of the money goes to. Now, money goes to the people who work, but a lot of money goes to the people who doing stuff outside of the norm. Outside of the norm. A lot of people work 9 to 5s they don't have a lot of money. They have money, of course, but they don't have a lot of money. The lot of money is for the people who are self-improving, who are thinking of new ideas, who are creating new solutions to old problems. Those are the ones that are getting all the money. If you're wondering where all the money's going, the money is attracting them. A lot of the money is attracting them. These music artists and stuff, a lot of them are Illuminati, I understand. But the ones who are not, if there's any of that, they're getting $30,000 a show. Why? Because they're attracting money. Because of their music. Attract money. Find out who you are, and the money will come. Guaranteed. No questions asked. Find out who you are. This is Raphael Hilaire. I'm signing off. If you want to be successful as bad as you want to breathe, you'll be successful. I don't know what I was doing, but you'll be successful.